city just kind of has its own like heartbeat. It's crazy, chaotic. You hear the sounds of cars, the traffic, the people. But then at nighttime, it kind of just has these moments of like bliss where there's just nothing around until you hear me coming. I didn't really have too many big dreams or even aspirations of coming out to New York City. It was never a part of the blueprint. It kind of just happened. Growing up, I was super introverted. Nowadays with my films, I do get the opportunity to make bold statements. There are times where I want to lock myself in the lab and just cancel out all the noise. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the lab. But then there are times when I want to be outside and I want to be loud.
Talk.
Inhale, hold, let it all out. Let everything out.
There is a lot of darkness in my past, but I turned that into light. I've always considered myself like the director of shadows because of the environment I grew up in. I just worked through it, all the challenges I've been through, and I'm no longer afraid of darkness. I actually welcome it into my life. It's a balance, and I just prefer to just stay low-key, but at the same time, get loud if I need to be. My first New York stories was like with my family. So when I moved out here, it's kind of like a homecoming.
Yo. Hi, man.
How you been?
Good songs?
Yeah. We do 8 birria tacos with cheese. Getting to see family and grabbing tacos, it probably means more to us than you guys can see on the other side. I'm grateful. You know, it's like catching lightning in a bottle. Whenever I have an idea and I need to get it off my chest, I just put my foot on the pedal. Living in a city full of chaos, to find those small pockets of peace is something I won't take for granted. Family and dinner has always been high on my priority list. I do keep my circles like really close.
Yes.
It's my favorite.
Thank you.
I used to love eating this as a kid.
It's crunchier. You know, it has a good crunchy.
And you want some?
Oh yeah.
This is my favorite too.
Crash on pool.
Bye.
These past 48 hours have been creatively just inspiring, and now I'm just trying to find my next thing.